Magandang hapon. If you buy the 227 cases penned by Associate Justice Samuel H. Gerlan, ito po yung landing page ng case digest, ng full text ng cases, short case digest, at saka podcast reviewer sa YouTube. So if you click on this link, pupunta siya sa PDF na pagda-downloadan nyo ng reviewers. And then balik ulit tayo doon. Let's test the other links. Pag pupunta ka ulit dito sa full text, you will be able to download those full text for verification. Balik ulit tayo. Once again, i-check natin yung short digest. So, ang purpose nitong short digest, kung ngayon yung magbasa ng mahaba, you can view with this short digest. And then, we have podcast reviewer sa YouTube. So, anong kaibahan ng ating reviewer sa ibang reviewer na jurisprudence by the bar chairman? Kaibahan po is that ang mga digest natin ay merong hyper-realistic Pixar image relating to the issue of the case for better recall. Kaibang digest kasi na nabibili online, ang nakalagay lang yung digest up to number 2 hanggang number 5. So, yan yung difference ng ating case. Good day!